Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows the scanning of the left pararenal area. Left kidney is missing and is invisible and has been involved in a large renal mass. You can see the scanning of and a large renal mass is visible along with another mass which is possibly an adrenal mass. You can see both the masses have different echogenicity. And the renal mass is more echoic than this adrenal mass. An adrenal mass is an abnormal growth that develops in the adrenal gland. It is unclear why these masses form. They can develop in anyone of any age, but they are more common in older individuals. Now you can see the suprarenal gland mass. This is the adrenal mass, and this is the mass, left renal mass, renal mass. Adrenal tumors are cancerous or non-cancerous growths on the adrenal glands. You can find the description of the renal mass in the playlist of the renal masses on my channel, and so I have discussed only the adrenal mass. Adrenal tumors are non-cancerous or cancerous growths on the adrenal gland. The cause of the most adrenal tumor is unknown. Risk factor for adrenal tumors can include Carney complex, Li-Fraumeni syndrome, multiple endocrine neoplasia type 2, and neurofibromatosis type 1. Adrenal tumors are common, occurring in 2 to 3% of adults in their lifetime. The most common adrenal problems are the development of benign non-cancerous tumors inside the adrenal gland. Now you can see the large renal mass, and both the masses are semi-solid to solid in consistency, having almost homogeneous echogenicity. Functional adrenal tumors are usually benign, although some are capable of becoming cancerous and spreading. Benign functional tumors can still produce hormones and may be found during tests for hormonal-related symptoms. You can see the blood flow in the renal mass. No significant blood flow is seen. It can be always high or sometimes high blood pressure for the patient suffering from the adrenal mass. Sometimes the tumors cause high blood pressure that can be life-threatening. It is very rare cause of high blood pressure, but it must be considered when medicine is not enough to control high blood pressure. Adrenocortical cancer is rare. There are two main types of adrenocortical cancer. Functional tumors are the most common type and accounts for about 70% of adrenal cancers. These tumors make hormones such as cortisol, androgens, or aldosterone. Now you can see both the masses, renal and the suprarenal mass. Adrenocortical cancer is rare, affecting only about 300 to 500 people each year in the United States. There are two main types of adrenocortical cancer. Functional tumor are the most common types and accounts for about 70% of adrenal cancers. In adrenocortical cancer, these symptoms usually are due to pressure caused by the tumor as it compresses the organs, nerves, and other structures around the adrenal gland. Some patient may develop some patient may describe feeling full with no appetite because of pressure on the stomach and other abdominal organs. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.